Hi guys, so let's start with the motherboard. You have to open this up to put in the processor. Okay, this is my processor here. When you open it, there's only one way that it can go in, and it has a little arrow to show you where the corner is. So it has, I don't know if you can see it, it has here a small arrow in the corner, and then on the motherboard it also has an arrow right here to show you the corner. Alright, so I'm trying not to touch the top, as I don't want to leave any grease from my hands on it. We're gonna put it, and it also has a notch right here on this side, which corresponds to a little stub, so you can only put it in one way. I'm just gonna wiggle it around just a little bit, make sure it's in, and then we close this. Make sure it goes under that screw, and then when you do this, this pops out. So that's it, the processor's in, it's not going anywhere, it's all secured. Now for the fan, we're gonna use the stock fan that came in the box. I'm just gonna add, I know it has some thermal paste on the heatsink, but it's, in my opinion, is not enough. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this paste, just a little bit, just to help it a little bit more, just a little bit, just like this. And then to install this, it's really easy. These four legs just pop in these there's these holes right here, and the legs of the fan pop in those, and this came with the processor in the box. So let me see, this is long enough. The hand feather is here, the fan header is here, so I'm just gonna go like this. They're seated in the holes, and then I'm gonna support it from the underside. I'm just gonna go this one and then the opposite. I'm just gonna go in a crisscross pattern, and this one, and then this one, and then this one, and just make sure it's really in. Just go around again and make sure it's all the way in. All right, now to put the fan header, it has a little groove that you have to match in here, so there's really no way to mess it up. Okay, you can cable manage this a little bit like this. All right, now let's put in the memory. I have two sticks of DDR4 8 gigs, so it's 16 gigs in total. For them to work properly, you have to put them in the right slots, and since this has 4 slots, this particular motherboard has them color coded, so you can see there's 2 slots that are gray and 2 that are black, so we can use either these 2 or these 2, and it also has here numbering, so I'm gonna go in the gray slots for now. Also, it has a notch. The memory module has a notch here, and one side is longer than the other, so it's really only one way you can put it in, so you have to look, you know, okay, and this one is the other way around. So then I'm gonna put it like this, and then you have to insert it and just push it down, and it clicks in, and you can hear it when it clicks in. All right, so one's in, and then the other one will go in this one. All right, like this, and then push it in, one side and then it clicks in. All right, this is all in, and now we'll mount it in the frame, and I'll show you how to connect the power supply and everything else.